Tata IPL 2024 Rajasthan Royal vs Mumbai Indians, match number 38, match detail and final playing 11. Date 21 April 2024, time 7:30 p.m. Venue Jaipur Cricket Stadium. Team Mumbai Indians final playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, right-hand batsman. Number 2 Ishan Kishan, left-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 3 Surya Kumar Yadav, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Tilak Verma, left-handed batsman. Number 5 Tim David, right-handed batsman. Number 6 Hardik Pandya, all-rounder. Number 7 Mohammad Nabi, all-rounder. Number 8 Romario Shepherd, fast bowler. Number 9 Jasprit Bumrah, fast bowler. Number 10 Piyush Chawla, spin bowling. Number 11 Akash Madhwal, fast bowler. Team Rajasthan Royal final playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal, left-handed batsman. Number 2 Josh Butler, right-handed batsman. Number 3 Sanju Samson, right-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 4 Riyan Porak, right-handed batsman. Number 5 Simran Hetmeyer, left-handed batsman. Number 6 Dhruv Jurel, right-handed batsman. Number 7 Raman Powell, all-rounder. Number 8 Sandeep Sharma, fast bowler. Number 9 Yuzvendra Chahal, spin bowling. Number 10 Avesh Khan, fast bowler. Number 11 Trent Bolt, fast bowler. Who will this match? Comment. Don't forget like and subscribe.